Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi. My name is Select Kalio and I am a Nigerian-based beauty influencer, skincare DIY specialist. I create weekly videos on skincare, DIY skincare products to help you kickstart your own skincare business or just basically help you make your own skincare products at home. So if this is something that you would like to learn or you would like to be a part of, please take your time to subscribe, join the family. You are always welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, hey best friend, happy new year, welcome back. Thank you so much for coming back. Now today's video, I'm going to show you, or I'm going to be showing you how I make one of my best vitamin C serums. It's basically oil based, but it is so lightweight that it can absorb into your skin and not leave any residue. Now, this product can help to gently reduce the appearance of dark spots, uneven skin tone, and also improve the overall look of your complexion. This product can also help to preserve collagen formation or collagen in your skin or your body, and can also neutralize free radicals that would otherwise damage the skin. So you can imagine why I love this particular product. And I'm going to be teaching how I made this product in my upcoming serum class. I'm going to be showing you every ingredient that was used in this product. Now, if you like to see the more simpler version of this product, you definitely want to watch this video to the end. Or if you want to get the more advanced form of this serum, you want to join our upcoming training, which is going to start this January. And we are very excited about this one, and we hope that you like it as well. Now, if you like to shop any of our skincare products, ingredients, ebook, and so many other things, you definitely want to check our website. The link to our website is down below. We have our skincare line, we have ingredients, we have supplements, oils, butters, actives, and so many things that you will be interested in. Just click on the link in the description bar and you can shop your way to happiness. And if you like to also follow us on social media, please do well to follow us on our social media. Our social media link is down in the description bar. Okay, so the first thing you need is your scale. You can use this scale or kitchen scale or any other scale that you have. And we also need a beaker or any container that you can use to put your products in. And the first ingredient we're using is squalene oil. Now remember that this is a facial oil or facial serum, and we want to use something that is not very heavy so we don't clog our pores and all of that. And this product is good for every skin type. So we're using squalene oil because it is an excellent alternative if other oils are too heavy or too greasy for the skin. Now, despite being an oil, it is very lightweight and it is non-comedogenic, meaning you can use it on your face without the fear of clogging your pores. And it does penetrate the pores and improve skin at the cellular level, but it doesn't feel heavy on the skin. That's the catch. So you can definitely use other oils if you want, but if you want a product that will not clog your pores or give you any form of fear that you will, have pimples, breakouts, and all of that, then you want to stick with squalene oil. And here I'm using olive squalene, which is also very similar to the skin's natural oil. That's the sebum that the skin produces. Our next ingredient is our main active, which is our Superman in this formula, and that is tetrahexyldecyl ascorbate. And this is a very stable oil-soluble form of vitamin C. Now, what this means is that it is an oil-soluble vitamin C ester, and it has strong antioxidant activities, and it can inhibit lipid reoxidation. Now, you can use this for UV damage exposure and there are studies that show that it can also help with collagen production, as well as clarifying and brightening the skin by inhibiting melanocytes. These are products or the production of pigments, thereby promoting a more even skin tone. Unlike ascorbic acid, it will not exfoliate or irritate the skin. And if you join our upcoming serum class, you will learn more about the different percentage to use for different purposes and how you can use this to help with brightening the skin, lightening the skin, and so many other things. Our training is coming up this January, and if you haven't registered, I urge you to do that, because this training, you're going to learn so much that will help your business or your skincare formulation this 2023. Now, I have listed a lot of skin beneficial ingredients that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. So you definitely don't want to miss that. If you want to join, use the link in the description bar to join our upcoming training. Now, the next ingredient that we have added in here is alpha bisabolol. Now, I have used this product in other formulations, but I'm using it here as a skin conditioning agent, and I'm using it to enhance the appearance of hydration and damage to the skin, and to basically reduce dryness and flakiness and restore suppleness to the skin. And we're also going to be using vitamin E, which is an antioxidant as well. This is going to protect the integrity of the oils that we have used in this formula, and also to help, it's not a preservative, but it just helps the shelf life of our oil, and also helps the keep the oil safe and clear, and away from any rancidity or any of that. Now I'm going to just mix everything that I have added so far together, make sure that everything is well incorporated. You can see how beautiful this looks. Now, I would advise that you still store this product in either an amber bottle or a mercury bottle. But if you want to get the beauty of this product, it's best to store it in a clear bottle, and then make sure you package it in a carton. Okay, put the clear bottle in a carton so that you protect it from light. But if you don't have carton packaging, which I'm going to leave a video here to show you what it looks like, if you don't have that, it's best to store this product in a mercury bottle or an amber bottle. All right, now I'm going ahead to add collagen. This is an oil form of collagen, oil soluble collagen, and this is called vegetable collagen hydrolysate, and it is an oil soluble collagen. It's a collagen that has been hydrolyzed down to a lower molecular weight, allowing for easier compatibility with the skin in order to increase elasticity, firmness, and enhance moisturization properties. Now, vegetable collagen hydrolysate is an anti-aging and firming ingredient as well, that helps to stimulate the synthesis of collagen to increase elasticity and firmness in the skin. Now, all this and more I'm going to show you, or I'm going to teach in our upcoming serum class. We have 4 classes coming up. We have the serum class, we have the specialist emulsion class, we have our soaping class, and we have our base cream class. So you definitely want to join to learn more and get insight on how you can better improve your skincare formulas and cash out this 2023. Now go ahead and store your product in this container and package it as well as you can. Like I said earlier, you can either use this container to package it or use an amber bottle, or if you want to use a clear bottle, make sure you are using a packaging carton to store it. I have left a picture, and yeah, that's basically it. Go ahead and store your product, and make sure that you give me a feedback on this product if you make it, and let me know how well it works for you. Now, Take care, guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.